Alright guys, so this is my new, to me, 8-inch, 200-watt powered subwoofer. It is the Energy ESW-8, and it is just absolutely fantastic. If you can see the surround, it is a very tall surround for the size of the driver. It is a, what they call the ERS, or elliptical ribbed surround, and it is fantastic. This driver has a ton of throw for its size, and we're going to be testing it out now. It's a very nice, very flexible surround, and it is amazing. It is very good, and it's very nice. So here we go. We are going to be playing the song Sadness and Sorrow, the rebased version. And here we go. This song is amazing.